You want to become a full-time freelancer as a graphic designer? Here I am. Hi, my name is Manu Srini and I'm a professional graphic designer. Today's topic is how you become a full-time freelancer. Sometimes one person tell you that the first thing you need to do is go to freelancer.com. Someone else tells you that the first thing you need to do work on your portfolio. And all you want is step-by-step plan, which will tell you exactly how you can start your freelancing journey. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do in today's video with based on reality. Alright, today's weather is nice. Alright guys, I'm just going to break down what you should be focusing on these 3 steps. Step 1. Your skill. So, one of the first thing you need to focus on your skill. If you are already a designer, so don't think that you can skip this step because design style and trends are constantly evolving and staying up to date is essential to maintaining relevance in the industry. Make it a habit to learn something new every day. And for aspiring designer, if you are not yet a designer, now is the perfect time to start learning. And YouTube is an excellent platform where you can learn basic graphic designs to advanced level techniques, or you can even join online and offline courses. The next thing I want you to think about as part of your skill is your expertise for both designers and aspiring designers. In this field, there are many categories like logo design, packaging design, banners, standee, menu card design, ad creative, social media creative, motion graphics, reel editing, book editing, many more. Explore and learn all of these areas to understand the depth of these industries. Even you can position yourself as an expert in that niche. It will help you to attract your potential clients. Okay, so the next second focus area for step 2 is going to be your portfolio. Here are some options I like the most. First is Behance. This is one of the best platforms for designers. I personally liked it a lot. It allows you to showcase your work professionally. Second is LinkedIn. It's a great platform to network with industries, professionals, and potential clients. Next is Instagram. Sharing your work on Instagram can be highly effective. Fourth is Pinterest. This is also wonderful and very popular platform where you find designs inspiration and share your work. Okay, so step 3, we are talking about how you become a full-time freelancer. But the first thing I want to say is that I'm not going to use any fancy word. Instead, I will talk based on reality. First of all, there are some questions you have to think about. The first question is there any website you can find your clients? Who are going to be your first client? Where you find this client? Is it necessary to have a job before become a freelancer? Straight to the point, yes. You can find clients on Upwork, Freelancer, and even in Fiverr. But there is a catch. If you are new and inexperienced in freelancing, then this website might be not help you in your early stages because there is intense competition. And if you are new, then your portfolio easily lost among with others. Don't be hopeless. You can learn from YouTube tutorials and see how your seniors approach clients on this platform and how they optimize their portfolio to appear in the top 100, 50 and even top 10 list. However, you have to be lots of patience. So, you might be wondering, in that period, how can you find your first client? But at first, you need to understand who are going to be your first clients. They could be a small business owner, startup, or marketing agencies, and even your friends, colleagues, seniors. So you have to identify your audience. So now you know where you find your clients. Start by reaching out to your friends and family. Tell them what are you doing. Show them some of your work. Share your designs on Facebook and WhatsApp status. So whenever they need designs related work, they will think about you. Next question. Is it necessary to have a job before become a freelancer? See, it's not mandatory. but having some job experience can be beneficial. Like working in a professional setting help you to build your skills, understand industry standards. It's also help you to understand client needs. Job life even help you to create your own network. Even I started my freelancing career while I was working on 9 to 5 job in 2019. Now I am a full-time freelancer and a small business owner. So, the last question is, can you become a freelancer straight after your learning period? Yes, you can. However, it's important to be prepared. Make sure you have a strong portfolio, a clear understanding to your services and their prices, and some basic business skill like client communication, project management. That's all. This is my first explain video, so maybe that's why I skip so many things. But in the next video, I surely try to explain in details. So please stay connect with me, and I will upload freelancing and business related video every week in Tuesday. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope my video will be useful to you. See you in the next video.